This 2015 Jayco Precept 35UN is a Class A RV. It is located in Marriott-Slaterville, Utah, 84404 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Ogden. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 72 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features Bunk Over Cab, U-shaped dinette. This 2015 Jayco Precept 35UN is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.